Yo, starting off with earn by time again. Current rate, we are at $17.50 for the hour. We got our first order. This is going to be for Gravity Coffee, going just under 5 miles. I don't know how long of a wait this is gonna be. There are 2 other cars here before me.
All right, here you go. Have a good day.
You as well, thank you. Total ended up being just under $11. A lot more than I expected for some reason. I don't know if that one just took forever or what. Next up, we've got an IHOP going 6 miles. Hello.
Thank you. You have a nice day.
You too. Ready on time. We like it. We love it. It says, please don't knock. Our 34-year-old baby is sleeping. Thank you. Oh, 0 tip, by the way. Maybe that should have been a knock. Total ended up being $7 and some change. Next order up, we've got a Panera. This one is going 5.5 miles.
And the food for you.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Hi.
Hello. Just got a drop off for...
I think it's for Dana. I'll give it to her. Thank you.
Sure.
I'll just take a little nibble first, you know. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Total ended up being $8 for that one. Not bad. Next up, we've got a Victor Rico's. This is going 6.5 miles. Thank you. I really love that there's 0 numbers on these buildings. That's really cool. I like that. Gives it a real low-key vibe. Love that I can't see anything. Time to go walk around. Total ended up being $13 for that one. At least there was a tip on it. Though I wish there was a tip on how to actually find their building. Got this one right away. We're going to Black Rock Coffee. This one's going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. I'm like 90% sure there's gonna be no tip on this because I just left the restaurant and I can see the drop-off location from here.
I know, man. It's here. Hey!
Sure.
Thank you very much.
Good one. Oh, never mind. There was a tip. It was something, I guess. Total ended up being $7. And we just got the next order. This is for Muchas Gracias, going just under 3 miles. Hello. Picking up for Brad. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Oh wow, I think that was the best order we've done all morning. That one ended up being $9 and it did not take very long to do. Next order up, we're heading to Taco Bell for a 3-mile order. Is that first? Yeah. Thank you. Was I not just here? Or this might be a different store actually. Going to a different dispensary, I guess. Hello.
There. Thank you.
Have a good one. Total ended up being $8 and some change. Pretty decent tip considering the distance. I'm not sure if those have been the first 2 times that I've delivered to dispensaries before. Actually, no, I've done it once before, I remember now. But made me kind of curious. Are flowers legal in your state? Let me know. And I got the next order right away. We're going to Nectar Juice Bar. This one's going 6 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Total ended up being $7 for that one. Not so great, but whatever. Got the next order. We're going to Chick-fil-A. This one's gonna be 5.5 miles.
There you are.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a good one.
Well, that was annoying. The only entrance, according to the maps, both of them, were being blocked by cop cars, so had to park on the main road. Oh, and the total ended up being $8. Next up, we have a Taco Bell. This one is going 5 miles. Hello.
Here's that one for you.
And then after that, I got 2 more knives, and then like a $200 off sale.
Nice, nice, nice. Total ended up being $9. We take those. Unfortunately, I think I might have to call it early today, even though I feel like we're doing pretty good. Current time is 10:38. Total, we are at $87, which is pretty decent, I think. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.